County in east central Alabama until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. 5:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Memphis to Lake. It was recommended.
National Weather Service issued severe thunderstorm watch number 647, effective until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. The following counties in Georgia, Catoosa, Fanning, Townsbury, Whitfield, in North Carolina, severe thunderstorm watch. The conditions are favorable. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch, including large hail and favorable to the development of severe weather watch, including large hail and damaging winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest weather outlook portions of Northwest Georgia weather. Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Bradley County in East Tennessee, southwestern Meigs County in East Tennessee, northern Polk County in East Tennessee, Richmond County in East Tennessee, southwestern Monroe County in East Tennessee, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Johnson, Oregon, 12 miles north of the 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. And quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Athens, Benton, Itala, Charleston, Englewood, Tellico Plains, Calhoun, Riceville, and Coker Creek. This includes Interstate 75 in Tennessee between mile markers 28 and 47. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cherokee County in southwestern North Carolina, northern Polk County in East Tennessee, southeastern McNew County in East Tennessee, southern Monroe County in East Tennessee, until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Itala, Oregon, 10 miles northeast of Benton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Itala, Thunderstorm Plains, Riceville, Cobra Creek, Violet, Topeka, Bulla Creek, Yosemite Oconee State Park, Anaka, and Dentville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Due to the threat of severe weather, the National Weather Service in Norristown has issued a flash flood warning for Midland County in East Tennessee, South Central Meigs County in East Tennessee, North Central Polk County in East Tennessee, until 2:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen over the last hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area over the next hour or two as well. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Athens, Itala, Englewood, Nanda, Calhoun, Riceville, Dentville, Clearwater, Hillsview, and Oconee State Park. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Morristown has southwestern Walker County in northwestern Georgia, southwestern Dade County in northwestern Georgia, until 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Itter, or 13 miles southwest of Trenton, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cooper Heights and Rising Fawn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 10 p.m. in Chattanooga, thunder was reported. 87 degrees. Hazard, flash flood. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying Murphy, Anaka, Marble, Adams Dam, Violet, and Compton. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A strong thunderstorm will be expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Hayesville and Tusquoity. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding